Hey there, beautiful! Are you a woman in your 30s or 40s who feels like life is moving fast but your energy just can't keep up? Maybe it's stress, stubborn weight, unexplained migraines, or just that feeling of being stuck. You're not alone, and you don't have to figure it out alone. Welcome to Your Healing Place by Dr. Stephanie Reed. Dr. Stephanie is a naturopathic doctor, certified wellness coach, and best-selling author who has guided hundreds of women just like you to reclaim their energy, balance, and peace. We offer affordable, high-quality solutions tailored to you. Whether it's a Zyto scan to uncover what your body needs, a personalized wellness strategy session, a life-changing detox and hair tissue analysis, or the empowering Unclock program, you'll have the tools to thrive. And this March, imagine hitting reset at our Women's Holistic Wellness Retreat in the Dominican Republic. Sun, sisterhood, and serious transformation await. Don't just take our word for it. Listen to the heartfelt stories of women who've walked this path and found clarity, health, and purpose with Dr. Stephanie's help.
I've gone through your 8-week Unclocking coaching program. I am so grateful to have had that experience. It impacted my life in a way that I could not have imagined. You gave me a safe place where I was able to go through this process and gain clarity, confidence, become more knowledgeable, find my intuitive nudge, which for me is the Holy Spirit, and all while being unapologetic about it.
Actually, your detox is one of the gentlest one I've ever done. Enhances you on all these different levels. So, with your spirit, mind, and body.
All of the tools that she gave us, I'm ready and willing to put them towards my new journey.
I had an unclocking session with Dr. Stephanie, and I feel so relieved. It was very empowering. I was held accountable. She let me answer questions. She spoke with me. She spoke to me and not at me. And I feel 10 times better than I did before. And I really, really appreciate her. And thank you for the experience.
This is your moment. As a thank you gift, we're offering a free wellness call with Dr. Stephanie to help you take that first step toward a healthier, happier you. Click the link or scan the QR code to claim your gift today. Your best days are ahead, and we're here to help you reach them. Let's start your wellness journey together.
I can't wait to meet you. Have a fantastic day.